It's hands-on and there's smaller groups, so you get to do more stuff, and they ask you questions that involve you. I've been learning about coding so far and acceleration, gravity, friction.
We're here kind of doing an outreach program because I think science is really important and I think it's overlooked a lot. And so we're kind of teaching the kids about the different types of sciences because I know going into my freshman year I had no idea how many different types of sciences there are. So we're kind of doing a demo to teach them about all of the different possibilities of science.
They have 6 stations set up, building towers, which is engineering, one on force and motion, one on coding. There's forensic science, and there's also some physics and chemistry in there.
We get to be like hands-on, and rather than just having to like write something in a notebook or something, we get to like see it happen.
I just like chemistry. I like doing the hands-on experiments and also finding out what something does to something and why it happens.
I love math, and chemistry is just complicated math with chemicals instead of numbers. And I think that it's like a big puzzle that you're trying to figure out, and I love puzzles, so it just fits really well with everything that I enjoy to do. You know, the younger kids are, the more you can get them passionate about something and the more time that they have to explore things. So if you show them all of the different possibilities and different things that they can do, they can pursue things long term and really invest in themselves in the science field. All the kids are super interested in what's happening, and I definitely think they're very engaged because it's a very hands-on experience. Like I know at our chemistry station, they get to actually like see the reactions and they get to be up close and personal with it, and I think that's very engaging for them.
Science is a lot of fun. It's hands-on, it's identifying and brainstorming and making prototypes. If they don't work, trying it again. So doing, the same thing until you get it right. I would love them to take that spark of learning and take it further and know that girls and boys can both be scientists.